Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Max Phineas, and welcome to Snap Circus. Today we are going to be building a fan and a light. This is the first episode of the series. It's called Fan and Light, and this series is made just for kids. So why don't we get started? All right. So this is the light. There's a switch over here that allows you to flicker it on. So once you flick the switch, watch. The light turns on, but once you turn it off, it turns off. And this is the fan. So once you get started, you just need to flick the switch just like the light. And it's a fan. Make sure you don't lean over the fan or touch the fan because it can hurt you. And the fan sometimes flies off like that. So it's easy for it to fly off. Anyways, let's get started on building. This is lesson number 1 and 2 in the Snap Circus book. Make sure you have your Snap Circus kit prepared. I'll give you a minute to get your thing. I think that was enough time. If you need more time, you can always rewind or pause. Anyways, let's see what we need here. First thing that we need is our B1 battery holder. It should look like this. Now we need 2 AA batteries right over here. Our M1 motor, S1 switch, our three triple connector, L1 light, and our red fan. And if you want, you can use your jumper wires. They're red and black. So now, let's start. Also, make sure you have a parent's permission before you get those batteries. So here's my battery. First, you want to look for the plus and minus. And make sure the text is visible right side up. So our plus, it goes right. So let's start with our minus actually. Positive and negative. Our negative should go right over here on the spring. So let's attach this. And make sure you push it in so it makes a snap and it sounds like this. The same with the other one. But the spring is on the other side, so you're gonna make sure you put it on the other side. Since that we've got that done, we now are going to use our triple connector. If you notice, there are these 2 metal things over here. We're going to attach our triple connector to the bottom or top. I prefer the bottom. It should look like this. Now, we should do the same with our S1 switch. right over here. Now it should look like this. And if you turned it sideways, it should go off and on. Okay, so we're going to be building our light first. So first, now we're gonna grab our L1 light over here. Attach it to our S1. So make sure it's snapped. And our triple connector. So, now we're over here. It should look like this. Yeah. So now let's turn it on. It lights up over here. So if we flip the switch off, it turns off. On, it goes on. Okay, so now let's build our fan. We should take your L1 light off and attach your M1 motor the way you just attached your L1 light. Make sure it's snapped onto the bolts. So now like this. Now you're gonna grab your fan. Notice there's little trenches. That's where you have that's why we have our the things over here. I don't know what to call them. You attach them to the trenches. So it should look like this. Sorry, you can't really see it. But like this. So now, let's just reattach that. Don't lean over the fan. But turn the switch on. And there we are, our fan. And don't lean over it or touch the fan. It might hurt, or the fan might go into your face and injure you. It's because sometimes it just flies up like that, and then it ends up over there. And then, yeah. Also, I suggest you use chargeable batteries if you have them, and yeah. Now this is our activity with our jumper wire. Okay, so now detach your motor and your fan. You're gonna use your jumper wires the way you attached your motor, but like this. So first you attach that. Don't attach it like this, because then that's a closed circuit and it can break your kit. So now, you should make it like this. Let's start with our light. Hold on. Wait, I'm gonna untangle my jumper wire. Okay, so now that we've gotten that done, you're gonna want to, hold on. You're gonna want to attach this over here. This, and then the other one like that. Okay, now flip the on switch, voila. Okay, now let's try our fan. It works the same way we just built our fan, so let's try. Okay, it should look like this. Now we add the fan onto the motor, and then that's what happened. perfect. It's okay if your fan flies off. It's natural. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you later.